everybody, Kat here, and today I have for you a fun little bar routine. I used to do a lot of bar on the channel when I first started it, so I thought it would be fun to come back to it. It shouldn't be all that long. If you have light weights, a light resistance band, and something to lean on, that's all you're really going to need. So let's get started. This shouldn't be a super sweaty one, just a nice way to get yourself moving. So let's just start by coming up, pointing out on your toes. Like I said, this one isn't going to be too crazy of a workout. Nice big arm circles backwards. And I'd call this a bar-inspired workout. I'm not a dancer by any means, but I do see the benefit of cross-training, of doing different types of workouts, and mixing it up and keeping it different. Come into the center and twist. And I've always liked bar. I think it's a great way to build your confidence, to build long, lean muscle, to work out, especially if you only have a set of light dumbbells. So it's a very versatile workout format that basically anybody just coming out of an injury, that's expecting a child, no matter who you are, you can find a nice workout in bar where you might not have to modify as much as you do in a heavy weighted workout or in a very high and intense cardio workout. All right, let's get started. We're gonna come into a sumo squat position, feet pointing out, come down nice and low, and we're just gonna pulse. Bar is a lot about finding your center, feeling balanced, pressing down through your feet, a lot of pulsing. So instead of having heavy weights and low reps, bar is a lot about lightweight or body weight and high reps. So we're gonna stay here, feeling that pulse. For 3, 2, 1, and hold. Arms down, you're gonna tap in and back out, in and back out. Just like yoga or Pilates or these more mindful workouts, 3, 2, 1, back to the pulse. You really want to make sure that you're focusing on your breathing. This is a great stress release tool, so maybe you want to get a workout in, but you don't want something crazy. I find bar is a great way to reconnect with your body after a busy day. Maybe like me, you're just starting back up with school. You're back in the grind of work, whatever that might mean to you. It's after the holiday season. You're working towards a lot of big goals right now, whatever it may be. 3, 2, 1, other foot. In and down. This can be a great way to take some of the pressure off and just feel at one with your body. Find some peace, find some length, and find some movement that might not cause more stress in your day. 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. You're going to go down, up onto your toes. Let's go. Up and down, up and down. And like I said, I am not a dancer by any means. I don't find myself to be the most graceful person in the world, but I enjoy it. Who doesn't want to feel graceful and long and lean sometimes? 3, 2, 1. Walk your feet in a little bit. Feet point towards the front. Narrow squat pulses. So your feet are pointing forward. You're pulsing those glutes back to the back of the room. You can move your arms if you want a little bit of movement. You can come right here. Incorporating the arms is always a great way to get your body warmer, engage more muscles. 3, 2, 1, full. Down, up onto your toes. Great job. Stick with it. Make sure you're breathing. You're coming up onto a nice point in your toes. As you'll also see, I like to do most of my workouts with shoes on. Barre, Pilates, and yoga really are my exceptions. 3, 2, 1, and rest. That's the end of our first circuit. Take a breath. Grab those light dumbbells if you've got them. So the first move we're going to do, you're going to bring your feet out to second position, and we're going to go T, Y, I. Back to the side. T, Y, I. To make it more challenging, don't come all the way down in your arms. So stay up here instead of dropping back down to your sides. Right now we're working on our shoulders. Barre incorporates full body, legs, arms, core. Great job. Keep it up. Breathe. Find your center. Get in your zone. Give me one more. 2, 1. Step it out wide. Come down into a nice sumo squat. We're going to go hammer curls, coming up onto toes. The further out your elbows are away from your body, or obviously the heavier the weights, the harder that these curls will be. I prefer to keep nice light weights so I can hold them through all of the repetitions. If you don't have weights, like in other videos, feel free to use water bottles, cans, whatever you have around the house. Breathe. You can try going for both. See if you can hold your balance. If you fall, it's fine. Come back into it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Come into a lunge, left leg forward, hands up overhead. You're going to bend and extend, bend and extend. Exhale as you come to the top. Great job. Keep it up. Stick with it. You've got it. 3, 2, 1. Isometric lunge with the legs, meaning you are holding this lunge. Take the arms, kick back. Engage through your core. Nice bent leg position. If you prefer, you can have that back leg spiked out behind you if you find better balance that way. Three, 2, 1. Switch legs. Right leg in front, left leg in back. You're going to, I'm going to turn back facing you so you can see. Bend, up, and down. This is for your chest. It's a standing chest fly. We're almost done with those arms. Keep working. Keep breathing. Keep your focus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna come back, hold your lunge, get into that good position. You're gonna row. You can either do, let's alternate. Row with your palms facing towards you, palms facing away. Towards you, away. Towards you, away. Holding that lunge on your right side. Now we're hitting the back. Keep it up. Great job. Looking about a foot in front of you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. We're done with those light weights. Now, you're gonna grab a light resistance band. Take a deep breath. Go grab whatever you're gonna use to lean on. It could be an actual bar. It could be a chair. It can be just about anything that you have around the house. And first, we're gonna come into your first position, toes pointed out, a little bit of resistance on that band. Pulse up onto your toes. Move back a little so I'm still in frame. Up and up. This is your last circuit. Stick with me. Find that calm. Find that inner peace. Final 8, hold up on those toes and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, you're gonna take that left toe out in front of you, pulse it up, 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 up. Great job. Toe pointed, lifting for your inner thigh. If you don't have a band, all of this can be done without a band as well. Keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tap it to the side, to the front, to the side, to the front. You can decide to hold a light dumbbell here if you please. It is completely optional. 3, 2, 1. Hold it out to the side and pulse it up. Up, up, up. Pulsing it out to the side, working those hip muscles, those outer glute muscles. Keep it up. Pulse, 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 pulse. I know it's burning, you've got this. For 3, 2, 1. Now you can face your chair if you choose. We're gonna pulse it back. Just a nice little pulse. A nice little pulse to engage. That's all you have to do. Try to keep upright. If you need to, you can give it a little forward bend. Final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back into center. Up and up. I'm going to show this whole right side without leaning to show that even if you don't have a bar, a wall, something to lean on, this can still be accessible. And this is your last circuit, your last round. We just have to do everything that we just did with our left leg, with our right leg, and then you are done. Hold it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come into the front, bend through your left leg, tap the toe forward, and lift, 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 lift. It can be helpful to take a little bend in this back leg to help you find some balance. It's always good. The airplane arms out to the side always help with the balance. Sometimes this helps me with my balance. Whatever you've got to do. Final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap and tap, tap and tap, tap and tap. Great job. We are so close to the end. Final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Lift, 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 lift. You can be more graceful and come right here to help with your balance, or the old running arms, whatever helps you. You are so close. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll turn this way so you can see. And back, back, back. This is it. Stick with me. Engage through your core. Find some balance. Final 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you are done. Shake it off. Shake out through your legs. I like to run it out a little bit. Roll through your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and out. Another and out. Final one and out. Fantastic job. Thank you all so much for joining me for this little fun bar routine to either mix up what you have going on in your normal workout life or as something to start up your fitness journey. This one's kind of a great recommendation for just about anyone, any fitness level. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks as always. This is Kat, strong, not skinny. Thanks guys.